Up guys, it's your boy Praise, and today is actually another day in my life. So in case you're new to this channel, my name is Praise, and what do I do here? I document my life here on this channel. I share my losses, wins, and abilities you need to become successful in this industry. If that's something you're interested in, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So in case you're new here, what I basically show on this channel is a day in my life, and then with other helpful things you need to know. So I document my life here so you can know that it's actually possible for you to make it in the forex industry. So you can go to my old videos of 10 months ago and compare them to my new videos, and you actually know that it's possible to make it. So if that's something you're interested in, leave a like and subscribe. This is weekend, it's Saturday, and I'm in my new house, at my new home that I thought. So yeah, I'm on a little vacation, which you guys already know, my OGs already know. But then if you're new here, you should know that I'm on a little vacation. So right now I trade synthetics on weekend. I'm going to show you guys what I'm on. I'm just chilling, and yeah, I got a little bit of shit on the decks like right now that I want to start focusing on. So I'm going to take this ferrous now. This is the second one I've taken today. So yeah, let me show you guys what I'm on. Guys, yeah, so I want to go and eat. When I finish eating, I'll quickly show you guys my stuff. So right now I'm heading to the dining. What's up guys, it's your boy Praise. So okay, sorry for this lights. Okay, so it's kind of night right now, and I want to go and backtest guys. So I'm not like all those losers that sleep on Saturday. So I just finished night beating, so I'll have strength and be more relaxed when I'm backtesting. Right now I want to go backtest my strategy, how to improve it. Look at the losses I made last week. They were feel like I think it's only one loss I made last week, and then just see the mistake I made and why I made that loss. I do this every week, and then backtest, and then analyze the charts for next market movement. So let's go. That's what I want to do now. So what's up guys, it's your boy Prince, and let me start with showing you guys the first trade I took on the reef right here. So this sell, so this was the sell I took this morning, which was a massive setup, and I held it all the way down here. So it was a 1 to 10. I'll put the screenshot of the trade on the screen. So this one I missed the move, so when I came I actually saw that this has happened. I would have cut this too. So the buys were exhausted. I saw an ultra order block, and then I took my trade. So right now I can still see the sales coming down right from here, but I've not seen the proper confirmation to take this trade. However, if I see the proper confirmation I need, I'll actually take the trade. So that's for VIX 100. Again, I also took a trade on VIX 10. So let's look at this trade on VIX 10. So this is the trade I took on VIX 10, and you guys might be, this looks weird, but this was a sell stop order. So I set a sell stop over here after this high was formed. So kind of when price pulled back, went up, so it just came, tagged me in, and just smashed the peak instantly. So I did not hold this for long. This was just 1 to 3, but you can see the potential of the trade. The trade actually did well in terms of, yeah, so it went total of almost 1 to 8 sharp, but then that's all for VIX 10. And then I also took a trade on the VIX 75 1 seconds. I wish I can still find the spots where I took this trade. Yeah, I've really forgotten the point. Let me check my screenshots. Looks like I did not save it. This is, yeah, so I think this was it. Yeah, this was the setup. I always screenshot my setup, guys. I always screenshot my setups. I can't see my back button. Guys, let me quickly open this Let's see what we have here. Okay, this is jump 25. I remember I took this trade on jump 25. So this one, I'll go to this one. So let me quickly go here and track this jump 25. So I always screenshot my trades, put laptop and this thing. Wow, I really did not save. You know, this is trading view deriv, so you can't log in with your account. You get to like save your work, something like that, in local storage. So over here is where I do save it. So if I don't save it and maybe my laptop off, it wouldn't be there. But it looks like I did not save this jump 25 and that VIX 75, but then I saved that VIX 100 and VIX 10. But anyways, this is the screenshot of the trade that I took right from over here. So let's see, this was the volatility index setup. Okay, this is volatility 101 seconds. So I did not also take this, but it was a move I missed and things like that. So that was all I got on synthetics for today, and this is actually night as I'm recording this video. So this is night as I'm recording this video. I want to start my backtesting session right now on gold on TradingView. I want to start backtesting. But before I backtest, there are little things on BTC like that I have to look up. So this trade ran total of mad. So guys, pretty much I've been really profitable on trading Bitcoin for some time now, but I've been making small gains because sometimes just 10%, 5%, something like that, because I'm trading lower time frame, and this is like crypto. So I kind of scaled up to looking for my setups on 4 hours and then looking for the confirmation on 1 hour. Before I trade it like how I trade gold, looking for the setups on 15 minutes and then looking for the confirmation on 3 minutes. So the percentage are usually small, but now assuming I'm looking for my setups on daily on 4 hours, I can catch a move like this. So about that, yeah, I had a loss here. It was not even really a loss. It have already reached 1 to 1.89. That's almost 1 to 2. But yeah, a normal person could have taken partials and break even here, but I did not do any of that. I just left it hoping it to take out this high. So I was hoping for this trade to take out this high, but it didn't really take out the high. So yeah, it did not take out the high. Here is another scalping trade that hits full TP of 1 to 3. So this one, it should be on the 3 minute I took this trade. So if I go to 5 minutes, I hope I can still track that position. Okay, look at it. So stop order, this is the first one, 1.2, 2.8, almost 1 to 3, and then this is the second one. Okay, the second one is 1 to 2 before price reversed. I knew that I cashed out from both, and the third one. So all in a trading session, I took all of these trades. So I was basically scalping BTC. Like I told you, I'm just making small percent. This is like 3%, 5%, 7, reaching 8, and this was like the same thing around that range, 7 to 8. So I was trading on lower time frame, but now to get big percent like 100%, 165%, you actually need to be trading higher time frame. So right now I want to go to the 4 hours time frame and then see what I have. For now, I can't see anything I want to do here on Bitcoin. So the structure is just anyhow. Price is not showing me anything, so I'll just wait for something reasonable for price to show me. And yeah, besides, this was a higher time frame setup, so this setup here was a higher time frame setup, as I saw the setup on 4 hours and took this trade on the 15 minutes. But then these other ones are lower time frame setups. So yeah, pretty much this can be called the consolidation, if I'm not mistaken, because price is just, for each bearish candle it forms a bullish candle, and for each bullish candle it forms a bearish candle. So yeah, I can pretty much say that we're consolidating. I can say that. So I have nothing for here. If I check Ethereum is the same thing, so you can see the consolidation is showing more on Ethereum. And then if I check Ava, it's the same thing. So all of them are basically following the same patterns. Let me check Link USDT. So we have this on Link USDT on the 4 hours time frame. Pretty much I can still make decision of this. Probably, okay, let me see something. I think I've missed the setup already, but cool here. It wasn't even an A plus setup, but it somehow looks valid. So like 5 minutes. Anyhow, it's still ranging. No big markets, big market movements for now. So Pepe USDT, just basically ranging. So all the crypto pairs are doing the same thing right now as I'm checking them. Yeah, so I'm done with crypto, going back to gold. So this is gold. Really 3 hours. I'm confused, man. Yeah, I was shocked when I mean 3 hours time frame is free, because this is my second account, trading view. This one I'm not subscribed with the trading view premium. Is on my first account, which is this, where I have my bank zones plotted. That is where I have my bar replay too, so I can just go back in time. This is where I'll do my back testing, but then I use here to see, because this kind of chart is kind of rough, so I use this one to just see things very clearly and kind of light mode things. So if you can see here, we're just really doing like really downtrend. But then last week Monday, I believe these are some of the profitable trades I took. So you can see them. I did not actually mark most of other ones right here, but they're all on this chart. So they're all on this chart. You can see them. Most of the signals I took, most of the trades I took personally this week. So this was a loss, which is very obvious, and it was kind of a painful loss, because I waited 1, 15, 30, 45, 1 hour, 15, 30. So I waited almost 2 hours and it hit my SL. So that's why I say it was a painful loss. But then, what is this? This is just 30 pips loss. I usually don't trade with 30 pips stop losses, because this was New York session, and obviously yes, if you trade gold during New York session, you understand what I'm talking about. You understand that 30 pips SL is actually tight, because normally people trading news during New York session on gold or after news, their SL will be like 70. So we got this trade. I recovered everything 1 to 4, and then basically boom, the same thing here over again. If not that market close, I was still anticipating like different things. So let me take this to the future. So you can see all the sales working out. So basically last week from that Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Wednesday, Thursday, if you just sold good, anywhere you sold good, it will just drop. I'm kidding. I mean, if you just sold at the pullback, you could have made profit. Then throughout Friday, consolidated and did stupid shit. I not even trade on Friday. I just left the chart for the maker. I'll be the owner of the chart. But yeah. So what's up, guys? I want to backtest now, so I'm going to open a random chart. You guys can see my charts, right? If you can't, let me increase the brightness to the fullest. So now I'm just going to open the daily time frame. So we just need to go back in time, so maybe to this point, and then we'll go to the 15 minutes. So what have I seen here on the 15 minutes? Notes, when I'm backtesting, I only backtesting my session. So the green zone is the session I'm trading in. So for now, this is midnight. Nothing concerns me actually in this zone. So I'll just play forward. And then this is 4 o'clock, almost morning. And then this is 5. So let's go. I'm just going to like backtest some few times for you guys. So by 6, though my session have not opened, but I think I can take a trade from here. So I'm just going to go back here. So this saw a liquidity grab. So price took out liquidity, some kind of strong momentum to the downside. So I'm going to go to 3 minutes. So okay, at this point I can't backtest my strategy with the 3 minutes go, so I've gone so far. So this is the problem of trading view. But then what I'm just going to do is to mark out these scans also. This is like an alternative strategy, though I'm just going to take a short position when price comes to 70-something%. I'll put my stop loss above here. Just going to delete this. This is not my strategy, I'm just giving an example. So I'm just going to draw a line. Normally I was supposed to go to the 3 minutes to see some kind of confirmation like that, but then they didn't allow me to go lower because of I went too far. So I'm just entering directly based on 15 minutes. So yeah, things like that. basically the same thing. So TP smash. Though this trade actually kind of hits SL, but then me normally trading this, my SL is 20 pips. Like I do measure, I use fixed SL, so I do measure the candle. So if I measure this candle now and I see that okay it's reading 18 pips, then my stop loss actually will be 25 to 30 pips, so maybe 25. But then if I enter this trade on the lower time frame, if I took this trade on the lower time frame, I would have gotten a setup right above here, something like this. So on my setup, it would just be 20 pips, 3 minutes, and then we would have got this. But anyways, it is what it is, guys. Besides, the same thing here again, like repeats itself. So I could have still seen another setup here. I don't know, can I go to 5 minutes? Okay, I can go to 5 minutes, but I can't go to 3 minutes. I usually prefer 3 minutes. Okay, I'm just gonna set the sell stop here. Market is so volatile, so I'll just use 25 pips. So okay, let's see something. So this trade 1 to 2 before coming up at this point to hit SL. So at this point it's actually a risky sell because the sell move have actually happened, so which was what we were supposed to catch around here. So probably after a sell move there will be some kind of consolidation to continue the sell or to reverse. So this happens in every market. After a bullish move, some kind of decision making by the banks to continue a buy. After the buy, some kind of decision making to continue, and then probably might reverse, another consolidation here to reverse, and then some kind of ranging decision making by the banks, and then before they shoot their final move, and again decision making. Everything here is a build up of liquidity and then a sell. So the same thing happening here. This might be looking like structure, but if you go to the 15 minutes time frame, it's just range. It's nothing. See, range is high level, so it's just ranging. Okay, at this point I wish I could go to 3 minutes. Okay, I can't go to 3 minutes. Well, let me see if I can go to 5 minutes. So let's see. Okay, so try to sell stop here, 25 pips. Okay, so boom, this one smash TP. So instant TP, guys. You can see this is exactly how I back test. No need to waste our time. You can see the price, it triggered us in, did some things and came and smash TP. Just by me just looking at the chart, I already know what to do. I don't need to even really stress myself that much. So well, there are more to the back testing session, but let me try this probably over 5 minutes if I would see a setup. So probably this is not an A+ setup, but I can definitely risk for it because I did not see some of the things I was supposed to see before I entered the trade. But let me go for it. So okay, I think 20 will do because it seems like volatility decreased. So see how 20 pips SL is looking that big, whereas here is 25 and it was looking small. So let's see. Okay, boom, boom, massive trade again. So don't worry, let me keep playing it. We're going up. Boom, TP smash. So 2 winning trades in a row. So I'm just going to go back here to where price smash TP. So I'll see whether I would have seen another setup on the 15 minutes. So you can see we have 2 TP smash, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. Basically our strategy is working. Okay, so I'm not really seeing anything for now. Okay, so this is actually a risky sell that I want to look for here because price have already kind of went into the discount zone of the buys, but then the buy could still be a pullback. But let me see something. Okay, yeah, I not able to see any like confirmation, so no point in taking the trade. Yeah, no confirmation was seen. So I'm gonna go to 15 minutes again and see what I can see here. Wow, so market dropping massively. Gonna go to 5 minutes. See what I can see here. Ultra order block. I would have set a buy stuff here. Exactly 25 pips. Probably let's try this setup. So okay, this one hits SL. Like this is going to be the last backtesting session, so I'm going to go 5 minutes. Can I see anything here? So okay, yeah, I'm gonna enter like set it by stop here, stop loss 25 pips, and I'm gonna go for my session high. So okay, can we make this okay, let's suppose market took SL right over here, but then if you actually look here, the market have already gone 1 to 1.6. so at this point I would have taken partials and set break even, and not just 1 to 1.6. this is 40 pips already, so 40 pips on gold is a big move. So yeah, this is pretty much how I backtest. Nothing much, nothing less to it. And then the market is doing stupid things. So I think that will be all for the backtesting session. And then for those that don't actually have TradingView Premium, you can use a website called Go Chatting. So yeah, or you must not use bar replay tool to backtest. You can just look at the charts, look for your strategies, and be truthful to yourself. So this involves discipline. When you know that you would have taken this setup and you've already seen that it hits SL, just be truthful to yourself. Accept the fact that yes, the setup hits SL, document it. This was how I backtest before, and trust me, this is actually the best way to backtest, because I don't know if I should say it's the best, but it actually helps in building your discipline. Whereas using a bar replay tool is just like you're in live market. So even if you're already seeing what's happening in the future and you take it back to the past, your brain cannot store that in your memory for a long time. You'll forget, and it will still look like you're trading like it's a live market, which is good and not bad. But then that discipline might not be there. It might be there, it might not be there. But then if you're backtesting without bar replay and trying your best to be disciplined to yourself, and then yeah, it's both the same thing. So either you read the manual way and be disciplined, or if you don't have cash to run TradingView Premium, which is like, I don't know, which is $10. I don't know how much it is in dollars though. I just converted what I paid, like 14k per month. That's what they automatically charge me for my account per month to do that. So Go Chatting, that's the name of the website. So Go Chatting. Search for Go Chatting, you should say blah blah blah. They have pricing, so it's just that their bar replay tool is free. So I used this for quite some time those days, but then now we're using TradingView. We keep growing. It is what it is, guys. I should have already have accounts with these guys, so I think I have accounts with them. Nah, not with Apple. I don't mean sign up with Apple, I meant sign up with Google. So I would just want to try and quickly log in. Okay, charts. So you can see that the chart is loading, pretty much similar to TradingView. So I don't know what it just showed me right now on that pop-up, but definitely you want to read it. So right here, the default pair is Nifty. I'm just going to change this to XAU. So just type XAU USD, that's gold. So if I click gold now, so you can see this is what we have here. So this is actually the live price action. If you look here, you can see this is Friday 24th May. Friday 24th May live price action. You can see all those sales move on gold that we got last week. How gold rose and drop. So this is live chart. So for example, see the replay tool. So look at it over here, which is the most important thing over here. For if you click replay, and then kind of, I've forgotten how to use this tool to actually go back, but then they say double click to select. Okay, so let's say I want to start replay from here, so I'll put it on this candle and double click. So yeah, it goes. So imagine I'm making this video like a tutorial for you guys, so you can see at this point. So I now want to go to 1 minute to look for my setup, so I can just drag this here because it's convenient for me. I think the speed of this is, I don't know. Ah shit, it's too fast, it's too fast. It's too fast. Let me take it back here. Replay. So it's been long I use this. I don't really know, I've forgotten much, but then the more you use it, the more you become used to it. So I'm going to press play. Okay guys, I'm fucking up. I forgot. This button is to actually take it to live chat. This is the play button that I'm supposed to click for it to start playing. So I fucked up again. I'm going to go back to this point where we want to find our entry. So we double click. So when everything goes, So you see it's kind of uncontrollable, so it's too fast. You can adjust it, and then again I go back here and then I double click. So once you get used to the tool, but yeah, let me just play. Okay, so it's just, I don't know, automatically playing. But yeah, you can just, they don't have that long and short tool that TradingView have. So what I was doing that time when I was backtesting is just to put a line here, so I know that this was where I would have entered from, and then I will drag it something like this. So if I drag this here, I'll kind of increase the thickness so I can see it well. So I'm sure you guys have seen it here, and this can be, I don't know, any color black to signify that this was where I entered. But then this is kind of stressful, but then you just have to use it because you have no choice. You're learning. I passed through this, so it's just part of the game. If you put this, I know that this was where I would have put my stop loss, maybe where I've spotted my entry, and then I can change this color to red, you know, red for like stop loss. And then if you want to set TP, you can do TP stuff like this. Maybe they actually do have a long and short too, but then I don't really know, because like I'm saying, it's been long and I was not even supposed to talk about this. It's just based because of the backtesting this thing. That's why I talked about this, and then you can play all this thing and then TP smashed and then boom. But let's try to see whether they have long or short too. So okay, they have it. Wow. So how do you get it? You go to the tools over here. So these tools on your phone, if you see it soon in drawing tools, you go to tools, you go to lights and measures, and then you scroll down, you'll actually see long position. So if you click long position, you can just put it here. Wow, that's nice, guys, that's nice. I never discovered this when I was using good chatting. I never discovered this. So sorry, my hand was blocking that part of the screen. It was these lines. Believe me how stressful it was, but I've made things easier for you. So just subscribe to the channel to support me. Subscribe to the channel, guys. So let me go to 15 minutes time frame. Let's say we want to do some basic back testing here. This is pretty much similar to TradingView. I mean, there's nothing to actually use here. So I'm going to take the replay tool to take it to here. See, double click the candle. So over here, this was news time. Just going to go to the 5 minutes. Normally it's 3 minutes, so yeah, allow me to see 3 minutes on this one. Okay, normally it's 3 minutes, and then I'm just going to play. I believe it's good I set my, I mean the interface is good, but just kind of weird. I've set my stop orders here. Stop 9. Are they saying from here to here is 9? I don't know, you have to really calculate these pips for yourself. Probably 71 pips, 62 pips. But then my stop loss will be 40 pips, because I think this just happened after news hour. Can do. So yeah, I'm just gonna play. Okay, so at least right now we should be running. Wow, I've moved to this almost 140 pips. So yeah, so this is how you use go chatting to actually backtest your strategies. And then if you have your 14K, I suggest TradingView is actually better and easier, since that's the platform you use to analyze charts. It's way more easier and scalable than whatever I have here on my screen. That's go chatting. Guys, I just actually finished backtesting, so you can see we have lots of trade here. I think I did up to 30 trades, I don't know, but then you can see that these are my results: 20 wins, 5 loss, and 1 break even. So that means it was 26 trades in total. So let's count it pretty much sure to make sure that everything here is correct, because I do document my backtesting for each week, and I have a notepad where I store all of them. So this week was pretty much good: 20 wins, 5 loss, and 1 break even. That's a high win rate. We'll calculate the win rate now. So we have 1, 2. So as far as a trade average 1 to 2 is a winning trade. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this was a loss. 7, we'll skip this one for now. 8 9 9, this was a loss. We're counting wins now. So 1, this was a win. 10 11 12, 2 losses, so we're still in 12. 13, and then this was a break-even trade, because this trade, it was supposed to be like here 1 to 1, so break even. So we're 13 14 15, this was a loss. 15 16 17 18 19. Okay, so seems like I put wrong value here, so this is 19. No, probably it might be 20. We might have just counted it wrong. I don't know. 19, but then let's count the loss. As far as I know, so from this point we had no loss. I know that the losses started from here. So 1, so this was our first loss. 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 loss. So what I put here was correct. Then 1 break even, which was that 1 to 1. So let's just count the total trades to make sure that everything is correct. The total trades here to make sure that everything is correct. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. So good, everything is correct, guys. So total of everything here should be 25 trades. We won 19, we lost 5, and then we had 1 break even. So let me come here to my calculator and calculate the win rates. So I'm going to open the calculator quickly. So for those of you that don't know how to calculate win rates, the formulas for calculating win rates is number of winning trade divided by number of total trade, then over 100. So for in this instance, we won 19 trade and we took total of 25 trade. So if you guys need to write this down, I'll put it on the screen. You can write it down, but this is very important. So we got 19 divided by 25, which is equals to 0.76, and then once you multiply this by 100, so this 0.76 times 100, so our win rate for today was 76% for this backtesting session, not for today. So in overall, this strategy I'm using has, sometimes it reaches 90. So there are, on some occasions it reaches 90, 85%, 88%. So sometimes it can even be 70. So today is another good day, but it have never gone lower than 70, and it's only once it have read 70. Most of the times are 80 and above. But seems like today we pretty much got 76, which is not still bad, but then I still see it as a poor result because I try my best to keep my strategies above 80% win rate. But then yeah, we go with what we have. It's what I saw. So I'll still try my best, go over the losses, look at my mistakes and everything. I don't just want, this video is already very long, I don't just want it to be that long, and then try to improve and then backtest again tomorrow, get my win rate for tomorrow, and then we keep moving. So this is exactly how I backtest my strategies. This is everything I do. So see you guys later. This is where I'll end this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, and subscribe to the channel. Peace. Sorry, I'll say that again. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful contents like this. Peace.